Where did I attack the president on social media? Unless you have not gone to school to read English, read the English. It's you who is using your close proximity to him, okay, to abuse that and to be paying people so that people are incarcerated. And you think I must be quiet about that. And today you want to tell me about my relationship with my brother. He's my brother. I want you to know that. If you did not know that. And I'll stand by him, I've stood by him. Don't distort things. Go back to school and learn English. Don't tell me this rubbish of yours. And the chicken zero. Mukuru. Okay, land. You must land. You must learn to land. You want to come between me and my brother. You were with us. You want to come between me and my brother, blood. You are lost. Okay? You are lost. You don't know where my relationship with the president is. I respect him as my brother and I'll defend him. And I'll say what is right. Inini now. I cannot join you. I don't just join groups or fights. I'm not like that. I'm principled. Manyanya sekuru kana msina kujwa manyanya sekuru. Manyanya ukama wangu na president haupere so that you must know haupere hausuwe mari hausuwe chi tapakure. You must understand that he buried my father. You must know that he buried my father and for a reason. So inini I'll speak in my own capacity. Not kutaura ne kuchikidzira. No, I owe you nothing. I told you, I gave you money. You are the one who owes me something. Don't try and bring the president's name into all this. When you are working with the president and so forth, you are the one who sent my pictures. My pictures and so forth. I'm not going to in a close proximity. Makambotona chitumira my picture ekona president Jesus. Makambotona chitikanda my picture but tinoaona. But my president ese munokanda it's you or makakanda kunambu ya wenyu. O exambu ya wenyu mchikanda ma picture ikoko ndima kakanda ndima kakanda ndima katenga nazo manje zvakuipa makuda kutsvaga inini tibvere panapa sekuru moyo tibvere panapa iwa inini I'm very clear. Musade, don't come in between me and my brother. Don't. Okay? You flip-flop kao mangamuri wana mgabe wana first lady ningikiri Grace mangamuri koko ku G40 mukaswitcha futi magara muchiswitchaka iso ati switch isusu. You must know that ati switch and traditional is wrong. Sasabuku ndofana kutaisa sasabuku amuite zvozvo amusungisa mai mwana wenyu ambuya wenyu makusungisa nekuti mune mari. Aiwa kana ndizvo zvairi then mwari pane paachapindira ka one day. Aiwa inini handidi kuchekedzerwa sekuru. Izvo handidi. And Musafunge can come in between me and the president and try and distort it. The president knows who I am. I write proper English. Kana musingagoni kuverenga imhosva dzenyu. Don't distort. Because I'm bringing the president into this. It's you who uses the president's name, who abuses it. I don't, so that you know. I'm my own person. I was chairman of Marsh West. Okay. Kusina kana ama yangu. Ndikawina. President of Midlands, and of Midlands. Vamtasa wanga kumanikaland and ndinakuenda. I went in unknown land, territory, and I won because I am a man of the people. I do the right things for the people. So please, Sekuru, sit down.